Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Honda Pilot spare tire. First, gather your spare tire tools, typically found in the rear cargo area. Next, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level, stable surface. It is crucial to engage the parking brake fully and place wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground. These initial steps are vital for your safety and to prevent the vehicle from moving during the process. Now, let's access the lowering mechanism. Begin by opening the rear tailgate of your Honda Pilot. Inside the cargo area, lift the floor cover to reveal a small access panel. Carefully remove the small plastic cap that covers the lowering bolt. This cap protects the mechanism. Then, insert the square end of your lug wrench extension tool into this opening, preparing to engage the lowering bolt. With the extension in place, attach your lug wrench to the end of the extension tool. Now, turn the lug wrench counterclockwise. As you turn, the spare tire will slowly descend from underneath the vehicle. Continue turning until the tire is fully on the ground and the cable is slack. This ensures there is no tension on the lowering mechanism, making the next step much easier. Finally, with the tire on the ground, slide it out from under your Honda Pilot. You will see a retaining plate in the center of the wheel. Simply tilt the tire and detach this plate from the cable. Now, you can remove the spare tire completely. If you are replacing a flat, place the flat tire in the spare tire's original location and secure it. Remember to put all your tools back where they belong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.